What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. It's Katana Garage in the building. You know what time it is. Now we got the homie over here with this beautiful track Eagle. What's up, Hog? What's up, dog?
What up?
Yeah. That's SRT Vibes. Check him out on Instagram. Follow our pages. We got so much sick content coming out. This shit's nasty. So this is what it looks like and sounds like after we get done with the build. I'm gonna be uploading that soon. I apologize, but for now, I want to see what this bitch do. All right, let's go. I'm gonna see what this bitch do with all the goodies that we just put in this hole. Ready, my man?
You ready?
Me ready? Me ready long time, you know. Let her eat. Yeah, man. Shit. Yeah.
We were spinning, bro.
Yo, that shit had me in the back, bro.
We were spinning.
Yeah, well, I was trying to pick my neck up and it just wouldn't happen, man. This shit digs, bro. AJ, they might not even care. So, yeah.
Is this just like a regular auto?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You like to flip that throttle, don't you? This one is a madman. Do not race this one. Hear me? Hear me?
Hey, pull up.
Yeah, but alright. This shit hits hard, dude. Like, and that was in auto mode. So, you know, for what it is, it's nasty, and we only got a lot more stuff that he has in mind that he wants to do to it.
Just wait till that transmission pull up.
We're gonna see how much power we could get out of this thing. Like for real. I would say on a budget, but not on a budget, because ain't none of this shit cheap. Alright, you know what I mean? Yeah, I mean, ain't none of this shit cheap. So, you know, you gotta pay to play. And we like to play, so unfortunately we have to pay.
Yep.
But look out for the videos. I'm gonna show you guys exactly what we put in it. We're not gonna be afraid to show you that. You know what I mean? And we're gonna show you exactly what it does.
Yeah, you can see everything. Too.
Yeah. Now, Now, if you got any questions, concerns, or complaints, feel free to put them in the box. And then we got also some guys that we want to line up with in there, right, my boy?
Oh, of course.
Yeah, my hatch included. We want to see how that works out. You know, 2 different applications, 2 different platforms with 2 different power in terms of horsepower. So we got some other track hawks lined up that we want to get in as well, right?
Oh yeah.
So
them Whipple boys.
Yeah, we wanna see what this thing does. You know what I mean? We're not afraid to compete with anybody. In the same breath, we're not trying to break her shit, but you know, we want to see what this thing does. We want to put it up against some big boys. We want to, you know what I mean? Let's listen to that hoe, man. Jesus Christ, man. I can't get enough of that, man. Can't get enough of that. Yeah, you know. But oh, Lord have mercy. Like, I can't hold my neck. You know what I mean? I'm trying to keep my neck straight. Like, here, just look at my neck. Just look at my neck. Here, he's gonna do a little small one. Look at my neck. I can't. Here's my neck from the side. You know what I mean? There you go. I can't hold my neck back. This thing just throws me in the seat. You know what I mean? It's ridiculous. So
it throws me in the seat too.
Yeah, man, it's crazy. You know what I mean? So definitely gonna see what we got else coming. You know what I mean? As soon as we get them, we'll unbox them, and then we'll show you how to install them on the vehicle. Get at my man SRT Vibes if you want to flag that shit, yeah? Yep. No big deal, man. He'll gladly walk your shit for you. You know what I mean? No big deal.
You got your money right. Don't come to me with no bullshit.
Alright. My yeah, man saying, boy. So, be warned, you have been warned. Peace.